Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, and I have irrefutable proof that this is another 2-minute tech tip. Back for another of his regular monthly visits is Steven Feuerstein. Steven is an architect with Oracle Corporation, and he's the author of Oracle PLSQL Programming, now in its 6th edition from O'Reilly Media. How you doing, Steven, and what are you going to talk about this month?
Well, what I'd love to talk about are my two lovely granddaughters. I have a new granddaughter since we last spoke, June and Josephine. But today I will focus on my tech tip, and my tech tip is a pretty broad one. It is that SQL and PL/SQL programmers are the most important developers on Earth.
A bold claim. All right.
Bold claim indeed.
If you are ready, your 2 minutes starts now.
SQL and PL/SQL developers are the most important programmers on Earth. And I would say more generally database programmers. So why would I say something like that besides the fact that I'm one of them? Well, think about it. Humans love and need to be masters of the known universe. Why do they do this? For survival, for comfort, and most of all, for convenience. To achieve these things, we ingest data through our senses. And those become inputs to our decision-making, planning, and most importantly, tool-making. Now, these days, we augment our natural sense ingestion with data capture and processing in computers. But it still all comes down to data being fed to human brains to make decisions. So the data needs to be of highest quality, needs to be secure, needs to be accessed quickly and easily. Now, of course, in this postmodern age of I this and I that, we tend to focus more on design and packaging, and that's cool. User interface is important. But still, without good data, your apps will totally suck. So SQL and PL/SQL programmers. Well, first of all, I think it's generally pretty well accepted at this point that SQL is the best language for manipulating and accessing data. Even the crazies who went into NoSQL, as in no more SQL, have kind of given up. Everybody's going back to accepting SQL as the best language for modeling reality and working with it in our brains. So I'm going to bypass SQL in my 2-minute tip, focus on PL/SQL. The key thing about PL/SQL that we underestimate is its value in building comprehensive, simple, elegant, performant, secure APIs on top of your data access layer and your business rules. So we actually have the potential as PL/SQL programmers to build an API that protects our data, that augments the data, that makes it accessible by users in a way that is very much not possible if you say move data access and move business rules up to your application interface level. If you're doing it in JavaScript or Python or Perl, even in Java. But if you build that API in PL/SQL and build it nicely and easily, and it's not that hard to do, you can enhance the application development experience,
10 seconds.
the performance of those applications, and the user experience in a way that would not otherwise be possible. You, PL/SQL developers, the most important programmers on Earth.
You nailed it. Thanks for the tip, Steven. And for those of you watching in YouTube land, make sure you click those thumb icons or leave a comment to let us know what you think of Steven's tip. Thanks for watching.